Camera and action. Watch how that lighthouse changes colors really quick. Nice. Purple, blue, yellow, red. It just changes. Keeps going. And the seal behind me. Known as Rainbow Lagoon Harbor. See, changes the colors. Right here I have the Rainbow Lagoon, aiming straight at the downtown area of Long Beach. Right there, look at that beautiful sea. I remember we used to come here all the time. Look at the little Ferris wheel right there in the background. Little blue one, turquoise color. God, it's cold. It's a cold December, I tell you. Known as the Rainbow Harbor. You got the aquarium over there. Hyatt Hotel, and the convention center is next to it, where I used to work back then, a while back, not no more. Got the Wells Fargo Bank building. Let's go for a closer look. Why not? You can see it has a small little walkway from the aquarium marina all the way down here, leading to the lighthouse and further a view of the shoreline. What I want to show you is this here, the sailing, I don't know what to call it, not a wheel, I don't know if it's considered a wheel. I'm sure inside it's pretty dark right now. Ooh, I almost dropped my camera. Let me show you the light. There we go. See? You can actually swing it. Oh no, no. Oh, can I? Yes, I can. Ew. Ah. There we go. Swingable. Sail the board, baby. Sail the board. Let me get the light out. Let me kill that one. There we go. We have sports fishing vessels. Some cruises take you like into the water, like party boats. A few trawlers over there in deep end. You know, that serves probably for the city or the aquarium. As you see the Christmas thing right there in the middle. Shoreline Village over there. The lighthouse again. It's beautiful here. I remember love coming down here all the time for a little walk, and haven't done it now that I've been working in Orange County, and it hasn't been the same ever since. Pretty distant. Ooh, glove. Let me show you. Glove right there. That's pretty suspicious, don't you think? Level's kind of getting up now. This is just pretty late. I like how the resting is right there. The light with the water, showing like a double pine or teepee, whatever you want to call it, triangle shape. All right, get out of here. Where's the glove at? Where's the glove? Now this is Aquarium here, Aquarium of the Pacific, and we have the waterfall. Pretty cool, huh? Fixed it up for other years now. Look at that. Oh yeah, beautiful. That's it? No more? Boo. There you go. Nice. Now, keep in mind that when I used to work in Long Beach Convention Center, also, we used to send us to the aquarium because it was part of the same company at that time, and obviously changed now. Times change and different companies split and stuff, and you know, we don't do that no more. But I'll tell you, there are good times here. Good. It's nice. Oh, the big tank over there with the fish. God, the coolness. Coolness in the coast is a lot worse. There you go. Hopefully I can make a video one day of the aquarium too. I'd love to do one. Well, this is one station of the Rainbow Harbor that I can show you now that my parking pass is gonna kind of expire in a little bit, so I gotta go. Thank you though. Hope you enjoy the video. Hit the like button and subscribe, guys. It'll help me a lot to grow. I appreciate your time and your minute you give for me to show you this. Thank you. Until later.